Your vehicle may have a feature that gives you a 180-degree split view of the area in front of you. Let me explain. The new camera system actually uses two cameras to give you extended views of what's around your vehicle. For starters, there's a camera mounted in the front grille that gives you additional assistance while you're driving forward at low speeds, by showing you what's in front of you and helping you avoid any obstacles that are in your way. While you're in park, neutral, or drive, press the camera button above the CD slot once to see either a front normal view, which gives you an image of what's directly in front of you, or again for a front split view, which gives you a 180-degree extended view of what's in front of you. That can be helpful as it gives you added visibility when you're pulling out of a driveway, street, parking spot, or while maneuvering. You'll notice a small white car icon in the upper left corner of your touchscreen. It appears when you're in drive or park and lets you know which camera view is being used. There's also a rear view camera just above the license plate that works independently from the one in the front and shows what's directly behind you while you're in reverse. Another car icon in the upper right side of the screen, the Park Distance Control display, also shows up when you're in reverse and uses red, yellow, and green indicators to show you where the closest obstacles detected are. In addition, you'll notice that several lines appear in the display while you're backing up. The colored guidelines, the ones that are not moving, show you the actual path your car is going in while reversing in a straight line. The active guidelines, the ones that move, show you the path in which your car is projected to go based on your steering when reversing. These are perfect for when you're backing into a parking space. And a centerline guide helps if you're trying to line up your vehicle with something like a trailer. Keep in mind, you can also use the zoom button on the touchscreen to get a closer view of an image behind your vehicle. Any questions? Go to FordOwner.com.